In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm at Walmart in store 2025, step by step. Here's the plan. I'll show you how Affirm works at partner stores, then walk you through using the Affirm app on your phone, and finally how to set things up from a computer at affirm.com. This will help you pay in store at Walmart by getting approved and ready before you reach the register. First, know that Affirm partners with select stores to offer pay over time options, sometimes at low or no interest. Start by checking whether your store is supported. You can search for Walmart and other partners in the Affirm app or on affirm.com so you know you're in the right place before you shop. If you see Affirm offered directly at checkout in a partner store or on their website, fill your cart and choose Affirm when you're ready to pay. You'll be asked for your mobile number, then tap Continue. If it's your first time, you'll create an account. Affirm will text you a 6-digit one-time code. Enter it to verify your phone. From there, Affirm will quickly let you know if you're approved for that purchase and show you your payment options. Review the terms carefully so you understand the schedule and any interest before you confirm. Now, the mobile route is perfect for shopping in-store. Download the free Affirm app from the App Store or Google Play, open it, and enter your mobile number. If you're new, you'll be guided to create an account, and just like before, you'll enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone. Next, tell Affirm where you're shopping and how much you need. Be sure to include enough to cover taxes and any add-ons so you don't come up short at the register. Affirm will check your eligibility and let you know if you're approved. You'll then see your available payment plans. Pick the one that fits your budget, and you'll be set to pay in-store. Keep your phone handy, make sure you have a reliable signal for verification, and ensure your personal details match your government ID and payment info for a smooth experience. Prefer to plan ahead on a computer? Go to affirm.com and sign in, or create an account if it's your first time. Enter the 6-digit code texted to your phone to verify. Tell Affirm where you're shopping and the amount you'll need, then review your approval and available plans. This is a great way to get everything lined up before you head to Walmart. Finally, always read the terms, set reminders for payments, and if you're not approved for the full amount, try lowering your total. That's it. You're ready to use Affirm confidently at Walmart in store.